to another Gacha Life glitch video. So we're gonna do another one. It's Chloe. I remember her from the last Gacha Life glitch video. How dare you, Chloe? I also fake deleted the app, by the way, as you know. So let's look for another one. No. Spongy? Nah, no. No, I don't want. No. But we're gonna befriend them like this YouTuber. She is literally friends with the most popular gacha glitch, Gina. She's literally friends with Gina. How is that possible? So we're gonna try to become friends with the gacha life glitch. So, I wonder who to pick. Which one should we do for today's video? Ooh, it's Coil. Oh, wait, Coil. Yeah, we're gonna do Coil. Yeah, wait. Why am I? Yeah, Coil. We're doing Coil, baby. So, I hope it looks good. So, we're gonna start changing her. Okay. We're gonna make her bald. Yeah! And we're gonna whip her starfish. And we're gonna change the eye. Wait, no. I have a better idea of changing her. This is too much work. Yes! Oh my god, my voice hurts from screaming too loud, from laughing. Okay. Let's replace her with one of the characters. No, I don't want to gacha. No. Let's replace her with me. No, not me! No! We're going to replace her with Mia. As you may know, she's going to be in a story. Mia's going to be in our next story. She's a mermaid. So let's get it backward for Coil. Messed up Coil! And we're going to go leave the app. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, yep. And the hack is started to work. Yeah. Okay. What to do? Should I mess her up again? I don't think so. What to do? Should I mess her up again? Now, maybe I should talk. I'm going to talk to her through character info. I'm going to say I'm sorry. Okay, let's type in I'm sorry, but first we're going to get with because that's the YouTuber I showed you earlier does that. Okay. Hey, I am... Whoa! What happened? What does she change? What? I don't care what you're gonna say. What do you mean? I'm just gonna say sorry. What do you mean? Okay. Guess I have to talk to her in studio mode. Imagine she takes this too far. Yeah. Because if she does, I'm going insane. Imagine. She, floods the whole app because she is based on about water. She is based on about water. So, yeah, I think she might flood the app. But I don't think so. Okay, it's time to talk to her. I was going to say sorry. Is it me or am I speaking too loud? Nah, I don't think so. Come on. Yep. Zoe isn't. Oh my God! She flooded the studio. I think I'm gonna change the map because I don't like it. Let's go on ground so my OC doesn't drown. Wait, what? I swear I clicked the ground map. Oh my God, she hacked my game so it's stuck at this. Oh my God, it's a stupid app. It's a stupid ad. It's a stupid app. Guess I gotta get Amelia to talk to her because she's one of my only OCs that talk underwater. But I guess she's gonna somehow do it. She wait to flood the studio though. Imagine she floods everything in this game. This would go insane. Like insane. Oh my. Okay, let's talk to her. We're gonna make her angry. Angry, it's an angry Amelia. Amelia is so angry thanks to you, Koyo. It's kind of hard to say her name. Okay. Leave Gia alone. Yeah, there's a mermaid. This is payback. Oh my God, my OC fully drowned. What do I do?
I found the...
Oh no, another ad. Okay, we're gonna just change her bag. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. What? I didn't click that. I didn't click that though. I swear. Okay, let's get away. She's gonna be okay. She can breathe underwater. Wait, what? She just changed. Oh my, let's go. Wait, did the background just change? It's underwater. What? Wait, is she flooded my app? No. Oh my God, Gotcha Life is getting flooded. Oh my God, crash again. That was insane, everyone. Well, just remember, do not try the glitch. Do not try it. It's very dangerous. Well, I hope you have a good day. Bye.